Welcome to another amazing video of Makwala on cars. So today we are inside the Polo Vivo. What we're gonna be doing here, we're gonna be setting our time. So our car has lost the time because we removed the battery. So this is the time that we need to set, 18:47. Here it says 21:13. So when you set your time, you use this little thing over here. So when you turn it on the left, it's when it sets the hours. That's how you set your hours on the left. So it's gonna be counting now. It's 18. Damn, I went too far. 18. 18. So it's 18. Let's try again. 18:48. So when you set the minutes side, you turn it to the right side. So it's gonna count, and we're gonna stop at 48. I hope we don't miss it this time. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's how easy you set your time on your Polo. Dango. Remember to comment, share, like, and subscribe.